how to change Google Chrome's UI display language back to English. The first thing you need to do is open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you've done that, guys, navigate to the top right hand corner here to the three vertical dots and left click on it. And as you can see, guys, Google Chrome's UI is currently in French for me. I'm not fluent in French, and therefore I would like Google Chrome's UI to be in English, as that's my native language. If the Google Chrome UI is also in a language you do not understand or aren't fluent in, and would like to go back to your native language, then follow these steps. Once you've clicked on the three vertical dots, guys, look for the third option from the very bottom here. For me, guys, it's this option here, and in English, it will say settings. So simply left click on the third option here from the very bottom. Once you've done that, guys, a new window will then open. You'll now be in your Chrome settings. Look to the left hand side here and you'll be greeted with various Chrome setting options. The option that we're looking for, guys, is Advanced. Advanced will be the option between the power icon here and extensions. So it will be this option here. Once you've found Advanced, left click on this arrow here. You should now see the advanced Chrome settings. The setting that we're looking for, guys, is the first setting here, which is called Languages, which is next to the World Wide Web icon here. Once you see the first option in advanced settings, guys, simply left click on it and look to the very top here. As you can see, guys, you are now in the language section of Google Chrome. As you can see, guys, the current language is French and we want to change this. To change this, guys, look to the right hand side of the current language that's selected and left click on this arrow. Once you've done that, guys, you should see a piece of text in blue here. Simply click on it to add a language. So just left click on this blue text here and you'll now have the ability to add a language. Look for your language and select it. Of course, guys, the language that I want is English, so I'm just going to look for it now. And as you can see, guys, English is right here. I'm going to left click on this box here to check mark it and then look to the bottom right. As you can see, guys, you have two options here. You have an option in blue to the right hand side, and to the left hand side, you have an option in white. The option that we want, guys, is the option to the right hand side here in blue. Simply left click on it. Once you've done that, guys, you can now see you have two languages in the languages section here. To select your added language, guys, look for it. So as you can see, for me, it's right here. Look to the right hand side. Left click on the three vertical dots and you'll be greeted with two options here with empty white boxes right next to it. We're going to be going with the first option here, so simply check mark this box for the first option, which basically says display Google Chrome in this language. This will then change your Google Chrome user interface into your chosen language, so Google Chrome will now display in English instead of French. To make these changes effective right away, guys, you'll need to click on this button with blue text. But before you do that, guys, look to the language that was selected previously, which in my case, guys, is French, and click on the three vertical dots right opposite that language, and then choose the option at the very bottom here and left click on it. This will delete your previous language from Google Chrome's user interface. To display Google Chrome's English UI, all you need to do is left click on this box with blue text right next to your selected English language to relaunch Google Chrome. And once you've done that, guys, Google Chrome will quickly close and reopen. And as you can see, Google Chrome's UI is now in English. And if I click on this arrow, you can see English is the language used to display the Google Chrome UI. And if we look to the top right hand corner here to the three vertical dots, left click on them, you can see that all the options are also now in English. Alright, guys, that pretty much concludes the video on how to change Google Chrome's UI display language back to English. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let